Okay. So team, yesterday we have completed our demo session. We have clearly understood about the complete process of SAP FICO training and project and also placement process. So today we are going to start with first class of our session. So coming to today's class, so as of now we understood about SAP and we have understood about ERP. So SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. So in SAP, we have two types of job opportunities. Like one is SAP consultant level, and second one will be SAP end user level. These are the two types of job opportunities we have in SAP. So coming to consultants will be working with IT companies like TCS, Deloitte, etc. Whereas end users will be working with some product-based companies, service-based companies like Zomato, Jepto, Britannia Industries, Reliance Industries, Tata Motors. All these companies, end users will be working. End users will be working in one example like Britannia Industries. Okay. Now coming to the consultant, in my beginning of my career, I worked as end user for a few months or around 1 year, and I was continuously working as a consultant. Consultant job will be very good, and we get high salaries in consultant, whereas end user job will be normal, but less salaries will be there, but there won't be any challenges in end user job. Okay. Now coming to the consultant level, so there are why consultants are required means if you take a company like Britannia Industries, in Britannia Industries, we have so many departments. We have departments like admin department, finance department, purchase department, sales department, operations, HR. So if you want to run a company like Britannia Industries or any company, okay, whatever you take as an example, so we need at least all these departments. For these departments, if you want to run these departments in any business, we should have a SAP experts. Experts are nothing but consultants. So coming to SAP consultants, SAP consultants will be like FICO consultant, MM consultant, SD, okay, uh, okay, SD, PM, okay. So HCM. If you have manufacturing, na, then we have PP also. PP is for production. Okay. So if you want to run any business in any business in SAP, so or any business if you want to run, we need all these departments. To support all these departments, we are having consultants to support all these departments. So these are all the consultants who will be helping. So FICO means finance and controlling. MM means materials management. SD means sales and distribution. PM means plant maintenance. HCM means human capital management. PP stands for production planning. So these are all the different modules across the industry we have in SAP. All these modules are called functional modules. Any questions if you're having, I will give you time, team. Please make a note if you have any questions. We'll discuss, I'll clarify each and every question that you have. Okay. So now, as of now, what we understood as about SAP. It's a ERP system, and we have two types of jobs: consultants and end users. End users will be working with product-based companies like Britannia Industries. Okay. Consultants will be working with product-based company software companies like TCS. So And coming to the Britannia Industries, to run the business, we need all the functional team. These are all the functional team. To support functional team, if they have any stuck in the SAP system, they will be doing incoming invoices, outgoing invoices, purchase, sale, everything. All these functionalities will be done in SAP. And in case if they are facing any challenges in SAP, the consultants will help them. The consultants, like all the consultants, will be helping the relevant modules. Okay. So relevant modules, functional consultants will be working. Now, not only functional consultants, we have technical consultants also. So like ABAP, basis, security. So these are all the different technical modules in SAP system. Technical modules in SAP system. Okay, so technical means if I want to do any coding level changes in SAP, then basis ABAP people will do the coding level changes. If I want to take it like system user ID access, server credentials, or backup, antivirus, everything that will be taken care by basis people. Security will be taken care by security team. Security means so I am a finance guy. I don't want to use the purchasing activities. I'm a purchasing guy. I don't want to use the finance activities. That will be taken care by the technical team. So in SAP consultant level, there are two types of opportunities like functional and technical. Functional means they will not do any coding. They will understand the business process and they will give solutions for the business. Okay. Whereas technical means they will be helping to the functional team. So any questions in this? Yeah, you can unmute yourself and you can ask me. I'll be more happy to answer your questions. You can use chat box also.
So after completion of this course, so most probability which job we will get.
After completion of the course, as I told you yesterday, we'll give training first thing. After training, you have to work on project. I'll be helping you how to work on this project. After project, we'll take interview. And during this interview, we'll check your knowledge, how you understood. So based on this, we'll suggest either you can go as a fresher, end user, experienced end user, or experienced consultants. So this is the best practice I can suggest you based on my experience team. Why? Because we have three opportunities. You can go with any of these three opportunities. But right now I cannot suggest you, right? So depends upon your learning, depends upon your interview. I can suggest you which is fitting for your experience. Here we will be considering a lot of things, whether your background experience, previous companies, or you are a fresher, you have a career gap, so or how you are answering the questions in SAP. Based on all these parameters, we'll be suggesting this. Is it clear, team? But short answer means you are eligible for all these things. You can go with any either of this, but what is the best thing I can suggest you after your project? Hope you are clear, Rajesh.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah, thank you, boss. So any other questions? If you have, please let me know. So I guess everybody understood this process. If anyone need any clarity, na, kindly let me know. I can guide you on this. Okay. Now coming to this topic, like
Sir,
yes, please.
there is a SAP Ariba also included, no, sir?
SAP Ariba is also one of the module is there that is related to the purchase department. Okay, but nowadays we are not using Ariba much. Last 5 years we were using, even in my project also we were using Ariba. Now we are not using Ariba. Okay, Ariba is a separate different module altogether.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
Any project requirement is there means they will only train you and they will only deploy you into that projects. Okay. Yeah. Like that, like Ariba, na, there are so many more than 50 plus modules are there in SAP. Okay. But what I'm saying here, it's a core standard module. Without this, they cannot run SAP. Without Ariba, we can run SAP. Without other modules also, we can run SAP. But without FICO, MM, SD, ABAP, we cannot run. Basis, we cannot run SAP. Okay. Hope you are clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, ma. So, any questions in this subject point, like functional, technical, uh, what is this? Any questions you can ask me. I'll be guiding you on this. Nothing. We are good, right? Yeah. Now, um, what is the roles and responsibilities of end users? What is the roles and responsibilities of consultants? End users roles will be like they will be doing finance, people will be doing finance related transactions like any purchase invoices, sales invoices, incoming payments, outgoing payments, asset purchase, depreciation, sale of asset, or I am paying rent, I am paying salaries, I am paying fuel bill, water bill, maintenance bill. All these things will be taken care by the finance people, accountants. Okay, whatever problems they are facing na, that would be taken care by FICO consultant, FICO, finance and controlling consultant. So purchase related problems will be taken care by materials management consultant. Sales related problems will be taken care by SD consultant. Operations will be taken care by PM consultant, plant maintenance. So HR will be taken care by HCM, human capital management. So production will be taken care by PP consultant. These are all the different consultants where we will be working all together. Okay, so all together in the project. Now, coming to types of projects, we have different types of projects in SAP. We have different types of projects in SAP. First one, implementation project, support project, rollout project, upgradation project, migration project. These are all the different projects we have in SAP system. Okay. Out of these projects, I'll explain you one by one. So this is the project which I'm going to teach you during our training sessions, implementation project. What is implementation project means? Suppose Britannia Industries, they are using some old ERPs, like they are using Tally, they are using Oracle, any other ERPs, non-SAP ERPs. Now, they wanted to have Britannia Industries into SAP system. In SAP, they wanted to use SAP system in Britannia Industries. All the business process they need to bring into SAP itself. So they wanted to see what is my financial condition, what is my purchase value, what is my inventory, what is my sales, what is my revenue, what is my profitability, what is my expenses, everything I want to see in SAP system. In that case, we will be will be take doing a project called implementation project. Implementation means non-SAP to SAP. This is a implementation project. Non-SAP to SAP is a implementation project. Here, from beginning to end, we do SAP system from beginning to end in implementation project. This is what I am going to teach you during our day-to-day training sessions from scratch. Step by step, I'll be teaching you the implementation project. So whatever I'm teaching you every day, you have to focus and you will be getting a server from my team. You have to start doing that in your server. By that, you can get that knowledge of SAP. Next one will be support project, Support means day-to-day support. Support means day-to-day support. Suppose Britannia Industries, they are using SAP from 10 years. Still, they have some problems like they want some additional vendor report. They want some changes in the customer report. Okay. There is some differences between vendor value and SAP value. All these things, if you want to rectify, then that would be done in support projects. It is like a day-to-day support. It is like a day-to-day support and process improvements and process improvements. This is called support project. Next one, rollout project. Rollout means extension of legal entity. I have a legal entity, Britannia Industries. I am starting one more business in Dubai as Britannia Industries Dubai. So that is called rollout projects. Coming to the upgradation project. Upgradation means just like how you are updating your mobile phone. Update from one version to another version. Update from one version to another version. This is called upgradation project. Migration means so it's like in SAP we have two systems. One is ECC system, second one is S4 HANA system. Migration of data from this system to this system, or I can say like this, ECC to S4 HANA is a migration project. Like I have Android mobile. I wanted to, I have Samsung S23 Ultra, old one. I want to migrate to Samsung S25 Ultra. So both are same only. So, but the migration means my contacts, my applications, my data, everything should be migrated, right? In the same way, migration means old server to old system to new system. So this is called migration project. We will even explain you about this during our implementation. If you do the implementation, we can work with any of these projects. And I'll teach ECC first and also I'll teach S4 HANA. Both the servers I'll be teaching you. So you will be comfortable with the knowledge wise. Hope you are clear. Next one. Any questions here? Please unmute and let me know.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, what exactly the difference between the upgradation and migration?
Okay. We have a mobile phone. We'll be getting updates frequently, monthly, 2 months once. We'll getting update overnight. We'll restart it, right? That is called upgradation. SAP also, this is the SAP server. This is SAP system. Same system, they will update. They'll give some security patches. They will give some one or two small functionalities. Any bugs they'll fix. That is called upgradation. So I am moving from this server to different server. That is called migration. Within same server, update is called upgradation. From one server to another server is called a migration. Is it clear?
Yes, sir, clear. Thank you.
Yeah,
I
thank you.
think upgradation means increase in the futures, right?
Versions will update the
Versions.
version. When
Okay.
you are updating version, automatically new features will be updated.
Yeah.
Okay, but don't worry. When you are updating from one version to another version, again, do I need to learn? Again, do I need to do means nothing. When you are updating your mobile phone, are we doing something? No, right? Some
Yeah.
small security patches will be there, or one or two additional functionalities will be included. That's it. There won't be much in that. This upgradation project, generally, we will do it in the support itself. Okay, it will not take more than 1 week, this upgradation project. Implementation means it may take like 6 months, 12 months, 6 to 12 months, I can say simple. 6 to 12 months implementation project. Support means it's a always ongoing. There is no limit. Till you use SAP, we need to support them. You cannot say, Array, implementation is getting completed. What about my job? Nothing. Till they are using SAP, na, we have to support. Okay. So rollout can be around 3 to 6 months. Upgradation, it may take around 1 week to 10 days. Migration, it will take again 6 months around. Okay. So now I am going to teach implementation project step by step.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Is there any conditions that these much experienced people can do implementation like that?
You are correct actually. Implementation project means, suppose if I wanted to do implementation project, I need at least 3 to 4 FICO consultants.
Okay.
Okay, 3 to 4 FICO consultants. In this 3 to 4 FICO consultants, one will be senior person who is having 10 to 15 years of experience. One will be mid-level person who is having around 4 to 5 years of experience. One
Mm.
will be the fresher who will be supporting. If the
Mhm.
project is big, na, 2 3 people will be the senior consultants only, those who are having high experience, and they need to get support from the juniors, right? Documentation I want to do, who will do? I will guide. Junior consultants will be doing it. So everybody will be involving in the projects.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Now, to start a implementation project, maybe approximately 3 FICO, 2 2 SD, PP, PM, 1 PM, 1 HCM, 2 PP. Okay, I'm telling about average project, not very big project. Okay, ABAP at least 10 people, basis 2, security 1. So total how many? Around 25. 25 to 35 people will be there in a project to complete that implementation project. The strength will be 25 to 35 people, but the count of FICO will be 3 to 4. That's it. Okay. Interview question. This is a common interview question. So how many team members? So FICO team members will be 3 or 4, you can say. What is the strength of your project means? You can say around 25 to 35 people. Okay. Okay. We understood about types of projects. Any other questions? Else, shall I move to the second topic? Another topic?
Sure.
Thank you. Now we are using SAP. We are working in TCS as a consultant. I am the senior consultant. Okay. You are all my junior consultants. Don't think you are my students. You are my junior consultants. Okay. And we have a finance end user as one more person, Ravi. Okay. So now whatever the Britannia Industries end user, finance end user, Ravi, whatever the requirements they are having, Ravi and his team, that we need to fulfill, me and our team. We have to fulfill it. I am a FICO consultant, you are my juniors, and we are taking responsibility of financial part. The entire financial part we have to bring into SAP system. The entire finance process we have to bring into SAP system. Okay, that is called implementation. Now, how to start implementation project? How to start implementation project? If I wanted to start implementation project, first thing we should have SAP licenses. After SAP licenses will be given by SAP India. Licenses will be given by SAP India. So SAP India. Okay. So Britannia Industries, they will directly connect with SAP India, and they will take the licenses. Licenses will be user based. User means if in Britannia Industries, if there are 500 users using SAP means 500 into approximately 1 lakh, maybe 5 crores. So this is the approximate value of the licenses. This is one time, and every year around 22% they have to pay to SAP India. Okay. Do you anybody know where SAP India is located? In India, we have only one office that is called SAP India. SAP is not an Indian company; it's a German company, right? But they have a branch in India. Where it is? Can anyone tell me?
No
Bangalore.
idea.
Bangalore is the correct answer. Okay. Bangalore. Recently, SAP has started one campus in Bangalore. That is the world's second largest campus after Germany. Okay.
Yes.
So Bangalore is the in Bangalore we have SAP India. Okay. And okay. Now licenses are there. Who has taken licenses? Britannia Industries. They went to SAP India and they have taken licenses. Next, they have finalized server also. Server is to store the data. Servers are two types. One is on premises. Second one will be cloud. Second one will be the cloud. So here there will be two servers as well. One is on premises, one is cloud. So licenses are there, servers are there. Next, what next? Next, consultants. The next one will be consultants. Consultants means we are the consultants. We are all consultants, 20-25 people. We are from TCS. Now our job will start. Now consultant job will start. Okay. So to start a project, licenses are there, server is available. Now consultant task will start. So to start the consultant activity, okay, we will be understanding the business process of Britannia Industries. So this is the business process of Britannia Industries. I'll take the website, Britannia Industries website. Okay. So in this Britannia Industries, okay. So we have a brands. These are all the brands. The if you see the products, they have a products like biscuits, dairy, snacking, cakes, rusk, bread. These are all the different brands they are having in Britannia Industries. So coming to the business about Britannia Industries, it is 130 plus years old company. It is under the leadership of Wadia. It was started by Wadia Group. I'll click this. So this is the Wadia Group, oldest group. They have different business like NPL, Bombay Dyeing, Britannia, all these things. We are working for Britannia, not for Wadia Group, but just to know this Britannia Industries belongs to Wadia Group. Okay. Coming to the registered office, this is the registered office. So we need this address for our SAP system. And coming to the Wadia Group, Wadia Group is registered in Mumbai. This is the Mumbai office. With this information, we can start doing our system. This is the business information. With this, we can start using our SAP system. Coming to SAP system, this icon, once you onboard, na, you will be learning how to get this access. So we'll be providing the server access as well. You can join that and uh, you can connect with the server. So there will be three types of servers in the landscape. So first one will be development server, quality server, production server. Any implementation. Now I wanted to do implementation. So in SAP server, so server is three types. One is development, quality, production. Any development we are going to do in the development system only. Okay. So during after completion of training, I'll be giving you one project. In that project, you will be getting complete idea about what is landscape, what is the servers, what is the purpose of the servers also you'll be getting. But during our training, you cannot get quality and production server. These two you can get in the production system only, in the live system, in the live once you get a job. But I'll show you what will happen here as well. That's not a difficulty thing. Now, let me log into SAP system. This is SAP system. SAP system will be having credentials. Credentials means application server, instance number, system ID, everything will be there. Our team will guide you how to use this. Once you have proper internet connection, sometimes if you are having ACT network, it may not work properly. So then you can raise a complaint to the ACT people. They will give you the solution. And normally in development system, you can just log in. If you have internet, you can connect with the system. Log into the server. Client will be 800. Client is nothing but a server number. By default, they have given 800 for learning purpose. Okay. So it's a 800, it's a learning system, and user ID. This is the user, and we have a password. Password will be, you can generate, you can, we'll give you a temporary password. You can generate your own password. Okay. This server access will be provided by my team. And once you get server, so once you log in into the server, there is a screen called SAP Easy Access screen. In this SAP Easy Access screen, you will be seeing all the functionalities one by one. Whereas you can do the business functionalities here, document postings, master data, reports, everything we can see here. There is one more screen called tools, customizing, IMG, SPRO. Okay. So this SPRO stands for SAP Project Reference Object. This screen is for consultants. So in SAP, there are two types of jobs I told you, right? Consultants will be working in SPRO screen. Development will happen here itself. Testing and live usage will be happening SAP Easy Access screen. So these are the two screens. One is SPRO, one is SAP Easy Access screen. Got it? So these are the two things. Okay. So any questions in these screens? This implementation we'll do from next session. From Monday, we'll start our implementation. So we will be doing step by step. First, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. We'll be doing step by step here. I'll be sharing you the sample document. 1 second. This will be the class document. I'll be going step by step like this. What is company, company code, everything I'll be showing each and every step. I'll be explaining you. So by that you can understand how what we are doing in SAP and what is the purpose also we'll understand here. So I guess you are good. And this is how the classes will go on from Monday. Any questions in today's topics, please let me know. If no questions, we can connect on Monday.
Hi Niranjan.
Yes, hi.
I have a question.
Yes,
So, like
please.
you mentioned, the projects, right? Implementation project, support project. So, in all this project, both the consultants and end users are involved.
Yes. Business point of view, end users will involve.
Okay.
SAP point of view, we will involve. And without business people, na, we don't know what
Mhm.
to do, right? I want to know how many branches are there in Britannia Industries. How do I know? I will be asking end users. They'll give the list. That list, I'll
Mhm.
keep it in SAP system. How many products they have, I don't know. They have to provide the list. So in implementation project or any project in SAP, both are involved.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Any other questions, team? Please let me know. No questions, right? Thank you. This session and yesterday's session both will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. So you can get the access from the team and you can even go through. Anybody new today, please don't worry. Yesterday it was only a demo session. So I will share the link of that session. It's like complete information about myself and my experiences and the course content and what is the process that we are following for normal training as well as personal training, everything. Okay. Yeah. YouTube link. Yeah, my team will share you the link today, Rajesh. Don't worry. So yesterday's class and today's class, I'll ask them to share the link to all the joiners today. Thank you all. Have a good day. Anything else that you have questions for me?
Monday timings.
Monday timings, right? So we are thinking like 9 to 10 in the morning.
Okay, okay.
Okay, 9 to 10. So any changes that there is no changes. If you have any concerns in morning 9 to 10, na, you can just connect with my team. They will give you the alternative solution to you.
Okay, okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
don't worry.
Yeah, thank you.
So working professionals, uh, please choose personal trainings, which will be best for you. It will be more flexible and it will be a best opportunity options. Like you will be learning as well as you will be preparing for interviews. Both will happen simultaneously. So personal trainings are also there for working professionals. So my team will guide you all those things. I have explained you in yesterday's session, but still, if you want, team will help you. Thank you all. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.